Welcome. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. That's William James. Welcome. Come on in and get comfortable. We have a good amount of excellent material to get through. Again, take your time, have compassion for yourself. By the end of this module, you will have identified 2 types of stressful situations, 4 approaches to coping with stress, and dozens of techniques for managing stress. You will also receive a personalized stress management plan so you can feel good, improve relationships, increase your overall health, and lots more. It is my pleasure to guide you and help you handle the stress in your life. Although some stress is good for you, it gets your butt moving. We'll cover that too. Most stress is detrimental to our health. Are you ready? Great. Let's get started. How will you manage your stress? Or how are you managing it now? What are the implications of managing or not managing stress? Stress most likely is attributed to what is holding you back from having, doing, or being what you want in life. The effects of stress actually destroy our bodies, our relationships, and ultimately our lives. In fact, stress shuts down your prefrontal cortex. Studies show us that prolonged stress actually destroys your prefrontal cortex. And your prefrontal cortex is responsible for all sorts of things like coordinating and adjusting complex behavior, impulse control, organization and emotional reactions, personality expressions, focusing, organizing, all sorts of complex planning. Feeling tense, being too tired, not focused well enough to engage positively in all life activities, well, it isn't fun. Stress is the primary culprit that plagues the most well-meaning, deserving, and hardworking people. Many of us suffer due to the effects of stress. Hair loss, infertility in men and women, high blood pressure, autoimmune disorders, lack of sex drive, and that's just to name a few. And did you know that stress is responsible for the 6 leading causes of death? It's also ranked as the #1 workforce issue. The United Nations has even declared stress a global epidemic. College students say it's the #1 blocker for academic success. Our kids are stressed. This is not good. And unfortunately, no one is immune to stress. I want you to live and to live a happy, meaningful, fulfilled life. You are going to put stress to rest. The first thing I want you to do is focus on identifying what you want to learn and gain from this module and determine what is currently causing you stress. Let me know below this video what your expectations are for the stress management module. There are many valuable reasons to explore stress management. You don't get what you want in life, you get what you expect. A few common expectations that I hear for getting a handle on stress are, of course, better health, improve relationships, usually at the top of the list, more happiness in general, and higher income. So with that said, the first part of stress management is your expectation. If you expect to find great tools and techniques in this module, you will. If you expect your life to stay the same and not much will change in the way of your stress or your management of stress, you're right there too. It's important to remind ourselves that our thinking and thoughts have a great deal to do with the stress in our lives, at least how we deal with it. I expect that you will benefit significantly from this module and make fantastic improvements to your overall health, wellness, and happiness. I do believe in you, and I know that you can do this. Understanding your expectations, which is a crucial factor, will help you in the next step of identifying your stressor. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson.